Hello everyone. Today is going to be a brochure tour printed in July of 1974 to depict 1974 and 1975 models. Today we are looking at the Ford W-Series Cabover tractor. As you can see instantly, it screams 1970s in this lime green paint, and the W-Series title matches that paint. Alright, we're going to open up to the front page here. As you can see, the very oddly proportioned single cab cabover with tandem axles. We're just going to do some flyovers here. Just looks like it's missing a lot here. You got this big stack here for the air breather and everything like that. Overhead air conditioning. It is definitely two-tone paint, as you can see, which actually looks really good. This is just kind of the text here. And over here, really good shots of the interior. You got a really nice flat dashboard. Your transmission stick here looks to be probably a 10-speed or maybe a 13-speed. Probably had power assisted steering, I would hope. Huge pedals for your brake and gas, and then your clutch over here. And then scooting down. The seats look terribly uncomfortable. They look like they sit almost 90 degrees upright, which would not be ideal for long haul. But it does have a sleeper cab, so I don't know. Looks like you could probably opt for better seats than that. I should hope. Alright, and looking over here, basically all your powertrain stuff. Huge high capacity radiators. You've got transistorized voltage regulators. Any Ford person will instantly recognize that auto light transistor box there. Color coded air lines. Tilt cab. Easy engine access. Huge rear springs there. Alright, here's some options. This one has some interesting options actually. I fell in love with this picture right here, which indicates tachographs. So you have two clocks, and then you have your tachometer, or actually that would be your speedometer there, and then your tachometer. And they have the 24-hour clocks mounted to them as well, which I thought was kind of interesting here. Then you also have your lightweight options, so aluminum cab replacing steel. I'm sure that was extremely expensive back then. Aluminum hub and disc wheels, taper leaf springs, aluminum 75-gallon fuel tanks. Lots of aluminum here. And then you have your owner-operator options, including your monograms, which I love. Just a bunch of different stuff. And here's a really cool thing. All your different paint options. And I love how they depicted this with the doors open, so you can see how it actually flows in. These just scream 1970s, and there's our cover photo there. Tell me, which one would you pick? Of all these colors, which one would you pick? This one looks like a banana. Honestly, I think out of all of them, I like that one the best. Alright, and here's your back. That's all your specifications and warranty stuff. A little blueprint line drawing here. It shows your wheelbases. Alrighty, that does conclude this brochure tour of the W-Series. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.